In a monumental leap forward for the digital age, China has launched the world's first commercial 10G broadband network. This groundbreaking network, spearheaded by tech giant Huawei and telecommunications leader China Unicom, has been deployed in Sunan County, Hebei. Marking a new chapter in internet connectivity, this transformative technology promises to reshape our digital interactions, propelling us into a future where lightning-fast speeds and seamless online experiences become the norm. The implications of this development are far-reaching, impacting various sectors and aspects of our daily lives. With download speeds reaching an astounding 9,834 Mbps and upload speeds clocking in at 1,008 Mbps, the possibilities for innovation and progress are limitless. This leap in connectivity has the potential to revolutionize industries, empower individuals, and bridge the digital divide. The impact of this technological marvel will be felt far beyond the borders of Sunan County, serving as a beacon of progress for the world to witness. China's successful deployment of the 10G broadband network is a testament to its commitment to technological advancement and its ambition to lead the world into a new era of digital connectivity. As we stand on the cusp of this exciting new era, it is crucial to understand the technology behind this breakthrough and explore its potential to transform our lives. The 10G broadband network is not merely an upgrade, but a fundamental shift in how we connect, communicate, and experience the digital world. At the heart of this revolutionary network lies 50G PON technology, a cutting-edge innovation that enables the transmission of significantly larger data volumes over existing fiber optic cables. This game-changing technology eliminates the need for additional amplifiers, making it a cost-effective and efficient solution for delivering ultra-fast internet speeds. 50G PON, or 50 Gigabit Passive Optical Network, represents a giant leap forward in broadband technology. It allows for symmetrical upload and download speeds, a significant advantage over traditional broadband technologies. This symmetry is crucial for applications that require high bandwidth for both sending and receiving data, such as video conferencing, online gaming, and cloud computing. The technology works by transmitting data using light signals over fiber optic cables. The passive in PON refers to the fact that the network does not require active electronic components between the service provider's central office and the user's premises. This results in a more reliable and energy-efficient network compared to traditional copper-based networks. The implementation of 50G PON technology in China's 10G broadband network is a testament to its capability to deliver unparalleled internet speeds. This technological breakthrough paves the way for a future where lag becomes a distant memory and seamless online experiences become the standard. One of the most profound impacts of China's 10G broadband network will be felt in the realm of healthcare, particularly in the field of telemedicine. With its ultra-fast speeds and minimal latency, the network has the potential to revolutionize how medical services are delivered, making quality healthcare more accessible to remote and underserved populations. Imagine a world where patients in rural villages can consult with specialists in major cities in real time, without the need for time-consuming and often expensive travel. With 10G broadband, this vision becomes a reality. Doctors will be able to conduct virtual consultations, remotely monitor patients' vital signs, and even perform complex procedures with the assistance of robotic surgery systems, all thanks to the network's ability to transmit large amounts of data instantly. The implications for patients, especially those in underserved areas, are significant. They will have access to a wider range of specialists and medical services regardless of their location. This will not only improve the quality of healthcare but also help to reduce healthcare disparities between urban and rural communities. The 10G broadband network will also facilitate advancements in medical research and education. Medical professionals will be able to collaborate more effectively, sharing large datasets, research findings, and medical images in real time. This enhanced connectivity will foster innovation and accelerate the development of new treatments and cures. Section 4. Enhanced reality, enhanced experiences. Beyond its transformative effects on healthcare, the 10G broadband network is set to revolutionize the way we experience virtual reality and augmented reality. These immersive technologies, which rely heavily on high bandwidth and low latency, will reach new heights of realism and interactivity, unlocking a world of possibilities for entertainment, education, and beyond. Imagine slipping on a VR headset and being instantly transported to a concert on the other side of the world, experiencing the music and the energy of the crowd as if you were there in person. Or picture yourself using an AR application to overlay interactive 3D models of historical artifacts onto your living room, bringing history to life before your very eyes. With 10G broadband, these immersive experiences will become even more realistic and responsive, blurring the lines between the physical and digital worlds. The ultra-low latency of the network will eliminate lag and motion sickness, common issues that plague current VR and AR experiences, making them more enjoyable and accessible to a wider audience. The implications for industries such as gaming, entertainment, and education are vast. Gamers can look forward to ultra-realistic and responsive gaming experiences, while educators can leverage VR and AR to create immersive learning environments that transport students to distant lands and historical events. The 10G broadband network will usher in a new era of immersive entertainment and interactive learning, where the boundaries of reality are limited only by our imaginations. Section 5, The Future of Education, is here. The launch of China's 10G broadband network marks a turning point in the evolution of online education. With its unprecedented speed and reliability, the network has the potential to transform how we learn, making quality education more accessible, engaging, and effective for students of all ages. Imagine a classroom where students in remote villages can participate in live, interactive lectures with renowned professors from around the world, experiencing the same level of engagement and interaction as their peers in urban centers. With 10G broadband, this vision becomes a reality. The network's ability to support high-definition video streaming and real-time collaboration tools will enable educators to create dynamic and engaging online learning environments. Students will be able to access vast libraries of educational resources, participate in virtual field trips, and collaborate with their peers on group projects, all in a seamless and immersive online experience. The 10G broadband network will also facilitate the development of personalized learning experiences, tailored to each student's individual needs and learning styles. With access to vast amounts of data and advanced analytics, educators will be able to track students' progress, identify areas where they need additional support, and provide personalized feedback and instruction. Section 610G, a measure of speed, not generation. It is important to clarify that the term 10G in this context refers to the network's speed measured in gigabits per second, and not to a new generation of internet technology. While the rollout of 5G mobile networks has been making headlines in recent years, 10G broadband represents a significant leap forward in wired internet connectivity, offering speeds that are orders of magnitude faster than what is currently available in most parts of the world. To put this into perspective, a 10G connection can download a high-definition movie in a matter of seconds, while uploading large files such as videos and presentations becomes almost instantaneous. This level of speed and responsiveness opens up a world of possibilities for businesses, individuals, and society as a whole. The distinction between 10G as a measure of speed and a generation of internet technology is crucial for understanding the full impact of this technological breakthrough. While 5G mobile networks offer significant improvements in mobile internet speeds, 10G broadband represents a quantum leap forward in wired connectivity, laying the foundation for a future where ultra-fast internet access is the norm.